to wrap. I can't say it. Don't make it to wrap.
Alright, now you rinse it. Make sure there's no soap on both sides. Good job. Oh, you have to put it on the rack, the drying rack.
Now let's watch this bottle.
You have to open it, buddy.
I know.
Just turn this off until you're done soaping it.
Daddy.
There you go.
Some soap.
All the way inside.
Okay, why?
Hold it like the way you would hold a cup. There you go. And turn it in circles. Good job. And the outside. Alright.
So let's unbreak it.
Get all the bubbles out. Good job, buddy. All done.
Then let's put it over
Turn it upside down so that it can dry. Yeah, good job.
right here or there.
Like that. That's good.
Right there.
Here, you can put it here. There's a little bit of soap still. And put it here.